Kimberly Turner from cookingwithkimberly.com, and today I'm going to show you how to cook green beans with toasted almonds. Now, this is Easter for us, this is the holidays, but this would be wonderful on a special dinner or Thanksgiving or Christmas, Mother's Day, Valentine's Day even. This is a nice easy side dish, and it's kicked up with those beautiful toasted almonds. So I have as many green beans as you need, really. I've got 3-4 good handfuls, okay? And I'm just going to, I've washed them, and I'm just cutting off the ends or anything that doesn't look really nice. And I'm just throwing them right into my pot. Save these little ends for soups or stews. I put them in a freezer bag, resealable freezer bag with a lot of other scraps, so that when I'm making a soup or stew or a broth, I can have some really great veg and bones even to make a really flavorful stock. All right, a little bit of salt in there, maybe a teaspoon or so. Keeps them nice and green as well. And I'm going to add some water. Make sure they're covered with water. I'm going to put the lid on so that it will boil a little bit quicker. Bring it up to a boil, turn it down to a simmer, and let those go until they're knife or fork tender, probably 10-12 minutes-ish, okay? In the meantime, I'm going to cut up my almonds. I have a nice handful of them, probably about, I don't know, a third of a cup, I would say. I'm going to just chop them up roughly with a large chef's knife. They don't need to be perfect or slivered or anything like that. You just want nice chunks, okay? And at the end, we're going to use a dry pan, frying pan, and we're going to toast them, and that's going to go on top. This is a very classic French combination. And you don't have to do this yourself. You can always buy slivered almonds. You could also experiment with other different kinds of nuts. You can check out my show for how to cook green beans with pistachios, and that was wonderful too. It'll be at the bottom of your screen. And I think that's good. So I'm just going to reserve that in a bowl until we're ready at the end. All right, I've just checked my green beans. They're nice and tender. They're perfect right now the way I like them. If you like them further and a little bit more tender, go ahead and do that. Some people like them quite al dente and almost crunchy. It's really up to your own taste. So now what I've got going on is a dry pan. I'm using my Gotham steel pan because it's non-stick, okay? No oil in it. You don't want anything in it, just the nuts. Okay? Nuts in. We're gonna toast them. You just want them to get somewhat browned. Don't let them go too far. If they go too far, that burnt flavor is going to be bitter, and you don't want that. So just a little bit toasted. Keep moving them around the pan. Don't walk away for too long if you do walk away. Stay pretty close. I put it on like a medium heat, medium-high heat, and I just keep watching. This won't take but a few minutes. In the meantime, let's strain our green beans, and I'm going to add some butter. These are super duper hot. Keep moving your almonds. I'm gonna add a couple tablespoons of butter. We like butter on it. It's the holidays. Salt, pepper, to your own taste. Easiest way to stir these guys up is just to shake it in your pot. Get that butter all mixed through. Or you can use tongs. Keep tossing those almonds. All right, these almonds are almost there. Once you start smelling them, that's when you know they're nearly done, so really keep an eye out. Just a little bit toasted you want to see on the white part. Mom said more salt and pepper for our beans, so in they went. The natural oils in the nuts keep things from sticking, and they also help that toast as well. All right, we're there. Here we go, green beans. All that gorgeous butter. And here's our toasted almonds right on the top. It couldn't be any more simple, and yet very elegant, classic flavor. Look at how gorgeous that is. Anyone who loves almonds, their eyes will be the size of dinner plates. All right, I'm gonna do a quick taste test. I'm just gonna grab a couple with some almonds. Ooh, that's hot, look at that. All those almonds, they just stick to the butter. Those are beautiful. The perfect accompaniment to any holiday dinner or any special occasion. Gonna love these. That's how you do it, folks. That's how you cook green beans with toasted almonds. You're gonna love it. Follow me on Twitter at Cooking with Kim E with a capital E. Like the fan page at facebook.com/cookingwithkimberly. My shows are on iFood TV at my.fossum.tv/cookingwithkimberly. youtube.com/cookingwithkimberly. You can check out my channel on Roku, Cooking with Kimberly, and I'm also syndicated on Apple TV and Amazon and a few other places. Come to my website at cookingwithkimberly.com and subscribe. Interact with us and let us know what's going on in your culinary world, all right? Be a champion in your kitchen and eat deliciously. Bye. Those are good.